Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel. My name is Remi forde-hyde. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step illustration on how to draft a mermaid skirt with Godet. This is not a pattern drafting tutorial, but an illustration on steps to draft a mermaid skirt with Godet. After watching this video, you'll be able to draft your own mermaid skirt with Godet easily. Let's get started. This is a 3D design of a mermaid skirt with Godet, and this is what it looks like. After the illustration, this is what the mermaid skirt with Godet looks like. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use a basic long skirt block for this illustration. So draft a basic long skirt front and back just as shown in the diagram. Trace them out on another drafting paper and slightly slant the line from the knee to the hem as shown in the diagram. Cut open the back skirt pattern and you will have two pieces just as shown in the diagram. The next thing you're going to do is cut out. This is what you will have just as indicated in the diagram. These are the two pattern pieces for the back. This is the back of the skirt and we're going to slash and spread to have a full skirt. So we're going to be using a slashing and spreading method for this mermaid skirt. So you take your front skirt, draw out the slash lines just as shown in the diagram. So you slash the lines for the front from the knee to the hem of the skirt. After doing that, the next thing we're going to do is to place the pattern on another pattern paper and then you slash and spread it. Spread it to how full you want the skirt to be. Then you use a ruler and make sure that the hem matches up and connect them together just as shown in the diagram. You can use a curve ruler to connect the hem line together. After slashing and spreading the front pattern on another pattern paper, the next thing is to cut out. This is what the front looks like after cutting out. After finishing the front, the next one is the back. Draw out the slash lines for the back of the skirt from the knee to the hem, just as indicated in the diagram. Take another pattern paper, you put your pattern on top of that paper, and then you slash and spread to how full you want your back skirt to be. Then you use a ruler and make sure that the hem matches up. You connect them together, just as indicated in the diagram. After slashing and spreading the back pattern on another pattern paper, the next thing is to cut out. This is what the back looks like after cutting out. The next thing you're going to do is to measure the center back for the length of the Godet. To draft the Godet, fold your paper or fabric on the bias. If you want to know how to fold on the bias, we have a video on the channel on how to make your bias from scratch. You can watch that video. I'm going to put the link in the description box below and on the cards above. Measure from your knee line to the hem of the skirt and measure out what you got on the new paper, just as indicated in the diagram. If you want your Godet to be longer, then add to the number. Then shape the hem of your Godet as indicated in the diagram. You can shape the hem of the Godet as desired and then cut out. This is what the Godet looks like after cutting it out. The Godet will be attached at the center back of your skirt. This is what our mermaid skirt with Godet looks like. If you would like me to draft a pattern of a mermaid skirt with Godet, let me know in the comment section below and I will draft it and sew it, but I would need you to tell me. Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Take care and God bless.